thinking of her.
So I'm going to start off by applying the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard Medium 1. And I'm going to apply it to my dark circles because we don't want those dark circles. And I usually just do like a small V and the same to the other side. And what I like about this concealer is like when you take it out, not a lot comes out like some concealers. And then I take my damp beauty blender and I blend it in. I have a mirror here, so I'm gonna look over here. So you just wanna blend it in softly. Sometimes I like doing it like on top of my eyes because I have like veins on my eyes, and just to cover it up. And it also acts like a base for your eyeshadow. Next, you just want to apply it to any redness you have around your face. So like, yeah, any pimples or whatever. And you don't want to put a lot because, yeah, a little goes a long way. And then you just want to blend it out again with your beauty blender. Next, what you want to do is set your concealer, and I like setting it with either the Makeup Forever HD Pressed Powder, which is translucent, or my Kiko Milano Radiant Fusion Baked Powder. And this is basically a compact powder, but it has like color. And this one's translucent, so today I'm gonna go with the translucent powder. So you just want to apply a little bit. To your under eyes, so then they don't smudge or like anything throughout the day. And to your entire face, so you don't get oily. So next I want to do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I like using the Precise Brow Pencil by Benefit. And then to set the brows I like using the Gimme Brow by Benefit again, and both are in the shade 5. So first I want to fill in my brows, but before that I just want to, with the spoolie, you just want to like brush through your eyebrows so you know like what way you're about to draw them. After doing that, I'm just gonna fill in the sparse areas with the little tip. So then you just fill your brows in where you need it. So I'm gonna fill in here. I like making it darker like towards the end, so it looks more natural. And then when you're filling it in, you can use your spoolie just to blend it in if it's like too harsh. So after filling your brows in, you want to go in with the Gimme Brow Benefit Gel, and I like to use this to set my eyebrows so they don't move throughout the day, and to give a slight color also. So yeah, I like to set my brows with this, and just brush through your eyebrows, and it's very, very nice. Okay, I go on, I want to apply EOS to my lip so it's not dry for my lipstick, which I put at the end. Go on with bronzer, and my favorite bronzer is Huda for sure. So with the Huda bronzer, it comes with this little brush kind of thing, so you just want to get a bit and then apply it to the hollows of your cheek. And I also like to put it like on my forehead so I look more tan. And you want to apply it a bit to your, like, what is this called, your jawline? Yeah, your jawline, so then your face looks somewhat smaller. Yeah, apply blush now. And for blush, I like using the Nars Orgasm. This is like so overrated, like in the makeup community, but it's actually a really pretty color. Like, it's this pearly pink and it's really cute. And I'm gonna use my brush. This is the Primark 105 brush. Just gonna apply it to my cheeks now. So next we're gonna do my eyelash, and I'm gonna curl my eyelash with this broken eyelash curler because I need to get one from Sephora ASAP. But yeah, we're just gonna curl your eyelashes. I'm gonna line my upper lash with the NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in the shade Black. And what this does is it like makes your eye look much bigger. After that, I want to apply mascara, and I have to look over here or else this won't work. And for mascara, I use the Great Lash by Maybelline, and I bought this because Kelsey Simone, you guys probably know who she is, she uses this and she said. So after doing my eyelashes, I like doing my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I like using my Naked Urban Decay Basics, and I just want to apply with my e.l.f. What is this brush called? Eyeshadow brush. I like applying Foxy to my lid. Foxy, and then you just grab your blending brush and you get Naked 2. So you get Naked 2, and then you just apply it to your crease. I want to get my MAC blending brush and get a bit of the Huda bronzer and just contour your nose now, just like that. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. You want to apply a bit to the base so it's like more pointy. Yeah. And then you want to apply, last but not least, highlighter. So I like applying it to the tip of my nose, so you get that shine, you know. There you go. Tip of your nose, your cupid's bow. So your lips look somewhat huger, bigger, and then you want to apply it to your side. I don't know why the mirror is there, because I keep looking there. Okay, you just want to apply it like that. Apply a bit to my nose, and there. That's literally about it. To finish this look off, I like putting lipstick on. This is the Huda Beauty. Oh, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, yes, Huda Beauty in Bombshell, and it's a really pretty color. And I just grab a bit of this because little goes a long way, guys, and apply it to my lips. that's literally my look. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next video. Thinking of her.